Hey everybody, Brian here at Honest Mechanic. Today we're diving into a common issue that can leave your car struggling to start or stall out randomly. Fuel pressure regulator failure. You see, a fuel pressure regulator is a nifty little device that keeps the gas pressure in your car just right for optimal performance. But like any other part, it can go bad. We'll be covering contaminants in fuel, wear and tear, and other factors that can lead to a malfunction. Stick around as I break down what causes these little gadgets to go bad. First on our list is contaminants in fuel. Picture this. You fill up your car, but unbeknownst to you, the fuel is swimming with dirt, debris, or even some gunk. This unwanted cargo can hitch a ride straight into the delicate parts of your fuel pressure regulator. Once inside, it can cause havoc, jamming up the works and leading to regulator failure. This is often the root cause of the problem. So changing your fuel filter on time is vital for the health of your fuel pressure regulator. Next, we have the inevitable issue of wear and tear. Picture this. The fuel pressure regulator's seals, diaphragms, and springs are constantly exposed to high-pressure fuel and heat cycling. Every time you take a drive, these components are hard at work maintaining the precise fuel pressure your engine needs. But over time, they start to feel the strain. Years of relentless service can lead them to fatigue, lose their efficacy, and ultimately fail. As with any mechanical part, time and usage can lead to the regulator's inefficiency. Finally, we have a few more culprits that can spell trouble for your fuel pressure regulator. Let's start with sticking valves. Over time, varnish deposits from fuel residues can build up on the regulator valves. If these deposits are not cleaned, they can make the valve stick open or closed, preventing the precise control of fuel pressure. Next up, failed vacuum lines. Many regulators use vacuum lines from the intake manifold to help modulate pressure. If these vacuum lines develop cracks or disconnects, it can disrupt the regulator's functioning. And lastly, external leaks. The fuel output line from the regulator back to the fuel rail and injectors can develop seepage or leaks over time. This can lead to wildly varying pressure and flow irregularities. Any of these issues can lead to symptoms such as hard starts, stalling, check engine lights, rough idle, or whining noises from the fuel pump. Now that you know the most common reasons behind busted fuel pressure regulators, you're better equipped to tackle any drivability gremlins. Contaminants in fuel, wear and tear, sticking valves, failed vacuum lines, and external leaks. These are the usual culprits. Your best defense, regular maintenance, and vigilance. Keep your car in check to avoid regulator failure. Remember, catching problems early saves you money down the road. Be sure to like and subscribe for more auto repair tips. And drop a comment if you've dealt with this issue on your own vehicle.